Evita just won't shut up. I believe if you play non-stop, that pup will breathe its very last high-strung breath. I'm certain that Kurt will bark itself to death. Today for you, tomorrow for me. Today for you, tomorrow for me. We're having too much fun. What you doing?
Looking for more videos on Casper College.
Casper College! It's where we're going to be attending college. Duh. I'm a senior.
I don't want to be a senior.
She's like really jealous of me right now. It's so funny. How much do you want to be a senior?
I have no idea.
This looks really scary.
That's scary.
Because all you could see was your black eyeliner eyes and like no mouth and yeah.
And just look at you, you can do all I couldn't do, Glinda.
Whoever watches this video is gonna be like, what's going on? You can turn it like this, like this. They're gonna be like,
Now it's up to you.
We've been keeping ourselves occupied, haven't we?
Yes, very occupied. We've been singing Rent and we watched an old video of us singing Phantom of the Opera. I think you guys should check it out. Go on YouTube and go to my account. It's Pikachu123345. That's Pikachu, Pikachu 123345. Find the playlist called Me and scroll all the way down. Kara Klingon can't spell, so instead of saying Lakeview, it says, how would you pronounce it? It says Lakrview. Either way, it says Lakeview's Art Expo Part 1. Watch it. The very first video is me in Atlanta singing. It's really old. It's my sophomore or her freshman year. Mind you, we are seniors and a junior! So, 2 years ago.
Gotten better. We promise.
Completely promise. So yeah, you guys should go watch that.
Because I knew you. I have been changed for good. It well may be that we will never meet again in this lifetime. So let me say before we part, so much of me is made from what I learned from you. You'll be with me like a handprint on my heart. And now whatever way our story ends, I know you have been mine by being my friend. Like a ship bound from its morning.
Hello, my name is DeQuan, and I am a Facebook addict. And you are?
In a distant world, who can say if I've been changed for the better? But because I knew you, because I knew you, I have been changed for good.
Victims
Just to clear the air, I ask forgiveness.
I'm gonna make my own planet and call it
We know there's blame to share, and none of it seems to matter anymore. The current pulls like a shepherd as it passes by a window. My stream that feeds like a sea.
You're not gonna pay.
because I knew you, because I knew you, because I knew you. I have been changed for
Oh my god, this has been a waste of about 5 minutes.
14 minutes.
It's been 14 minutes. No, that's how much time you have left.
Oh.
Silent.
Well, then it's been like 6 minutes because I had 21 minutes.
I was gonna say, it starts at like 20 something. Danielle Jones said hi.
Hi. Hi.
She
Alright,
is.
I
Hey.
think we should end this here.
Okay, what are we gonna leave them with? It's happy, clap your hands and
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Hey, DeQuan. Well, what can I say? You and I have been friends since the very beginning. And now that I think about it, that's a really long time. And today is your birthday. And your last day of high school. Officially. Ever. And I made you this video because I wanted you to have something to take with you wherever you go. Oh my god. And next year will not be the same. Definitely not the same. And I'm gonna miss you a lot. You'll have to remember all your fun stories from college and come back and tell me. And then you and me, one day, we're gonna go. And we're gonna live in New York. And it'll be a great time.